Do you want to know what are the semi-permanent roofings available in the construction industry? I am Sudhan from Foresight Roofings. We design, fabricate semi-permanent roofing for the construction industry. We are in this industry for the past 15 years. Starting from the Galvalume sheets till fabric, there are various materials available. Let me explain you one by one. The first and the economical available material in the industry is Galvalume sheets. These are all pre-coated sheets which is used for factories, warehouses, godowns, economical car parks, bus shelters and things like that. Everybody must have experienced these sheets. In the second category, we have puff panels. Puff panels are nothing but double skin Galvalume sheets. Between the two skins, we inject polyurethane foam to form a puff panel. Now these panels are used mainly to control heat. If you see any kind of cold storage buildings, they use puff panel for roof walls to control the temperature inside the cold room. And certain areas, if you want a cafeteria, they use puff panel to control the heat which is coming from outside. Study says up to 4 degrees of heat is cut when you use puff panel. So people use puff panel for cafeteria and for wall cladding to control the heat. Then comes polycarbonate sheets. Polycarbonate sheets are multi-layered sheet, and these sheets comes in width of 1.22 meters and 2.1 meters. Polycarbonate sheets are made out of thermoplastic polymers. It is double wall sheet with an air gap in it. Starting from 2 layer up to 5 layer polycarbonates are available. Now, because of the multi-layer, the heat is getting trapped between the 2 layers, so you get up to 30% of heat control when you use a polycarbonate sheet. And these sheets comes in various colors: clear, bronze, white, blue. So we can enjoy the colored sheet in a skylight area. These sheets generally used for central courtyard covers to allow the light inside the building, shaft coverings and car parks, wall cladding, any kind of application you can use polycarbonate sheets. Then comes in the list fabric tensile structures. Fabric tensile structures are widely used in today's construction industry. Fabric comes in various specifications. One is PVC coated polyester, PTFE, ETFE and shade cloth. These different fabric can be used in any kind of application. For example, walkways, terrace cafeterias, entrance canopies, central courtyard covers, so on and so forth. These fabrics allows good quality light and cuts out maximum heat. So this is widely used in modern construction industry. One more advantage with fabric is, since it is 3-dimensional, you can have aesthetically appealing structures with fabric. If you see any kind of latest building, latest infrastructure like stadiums, airports, you can see fabric structure. Then comes glass. As everybody know, glass is widely used in building facades, canopies and central courtyard covers. And glass comes with double glazed, toughened glass and lot of other high-end specification to control heat. So glass does not have a size constraint. You can manufacture glass to whatever size you want. Transportation is a challenge. So we design glass based on the transportation and based on the installation height. So these are various types of semi-permanent roofing available in this industry. So I am Sudhan. If you need any further information or if you need a consultancy for all your semi-permanent roofing needs, please do get in touch with us. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.